Hello ninth graders, I wish you are doing well. In this video, we'll solve together another typical exercise related to Chapter 2 entitled Electron Arrangements in Atoms and the Periodic Table. Just sit in a quiet place, bring your chemistry notebook and a pen, and let's start. The table below shows the electron configurations of some species, atoms or ions. Regarding the element lithium, classify lithium as a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid. The electron configuration of lithium is K2L1. Lithium has one electron in the outermost shell. Then lithium belongs to group 1 or column 1. We know that elements to the left of the stirred-up line, except hydrogen, are considered as metals, while elements to the right of the stirred-up line are nonmetals. Group 1 is to the left of the stirred-up line, then lithium is a metal. Identify to which family does lithium belong. Lithium is in group 1, then it is an alkali metal. Name from the above list the species that has the same chemical properties as lithium and justify. We know that elements that belong to the same column or group have common properties. Sodium has one electron in the outer shell. Then lithium and sodium belong to column 1, thus they have common properties. Regarding the element fluorine, determine the atomic number of fluorine. The electron configuration is K2L7. Then the number of electrons in fluorine atom is 2 plus 7 equal 9. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons equals 9. Thus, the atomic number Z of fluorine equals number of protons equals 9. Regarding the element argon, identify the location of argon in the periodic table. It means we have to specify the group and the period. The electron configuration of argon is K2L8M8. The column or group is identified by the number of electrons in the outer shell. Argon has 8 electrons in the outer shell, then argon is in column 18 or group 8. The row or period is identified by the number of occupied energy levels. Argon has 3 occupied energy levels, K, L, and M, then argon is in row 3 or period 3. Identify the element whose location is just above argon in the periodic table. Argon is in column 18 and row 3. The element is just above argon. It means that it is in the same column, which is column 18. Then it has 8 electrons in the outer shell. It is in row 2. Then it has 2 occupied energy levels, K and L. The electron configuration is then K2L8. So the element is neon. Name the family to which argon and neon belong. Argon and neon belong to column 18, group 8, then they are noble or inert gases. Argon and neon are stable. They cannot be transformed into ions. Justify this statement referring to their electron configuration. From the two diagrams, we notice that the outer energy level of neon and argon is saturated. It means that they are full with 8 electrons. Then they are stable and cannot be transformed into ions. Regarding the oxide ion, oxygen atom gains 2 electrons to become oxide ion. Write the equation of formation of oxide ion. O plus 2 electrons will give O2 minus ion. Determine the atomic number of oxygen atom. The electron configuration of oxide ion is K2L8. then the number of electrons in oxide ion is 2 plus 8 equals 10. But oxygen atom gains 2 electrons to become oxide ion. Then the number of electrons in oxygen atom is 10 minus 2, which is 8 electrons. In a neutral atom, the number of protons equal the number of electrons, then it is equal to 8. Thus, the atomic number Z of oxygen atom equal the number of protons, which is equal to 8. In the last question, choose the diagram that corresponds to the formation of oxide ion. It is diagram A, since in diagram A, the atom with 8 electrons gains 2 electrons to become an ion with 10 electrons. Dear students, watch the video twice and then resolve the exercise on your chemistry notebooks.